Good day! First, remove the side cover. Remove at least one of the side cover, usually the right side of your face in front of the computer. You might find easier to access all the parts if you remove both side cover. There are sometimes thumb screws on the cover to make access easier. Second, disconnect connectors. Disconnect all the connectors, then remove any card readers and internal DVD players. These are usually screwed into place. The third, remove the standalone fans. Remove any standalone fans. This is a good time to remove any dust, lint, and pet hair from the fans if you're planning on reusing them. We also remove the storage drive. Disconnect the cables and remove the storage drive. Generally, storage drive are held in a place by multiple screws. If you have hard drive, be gentle when moving the drive. As a hard bump, you can damage the internal parts. Remove memory RAM modules. Remove memory RAM module by pushing the clips on the both ends of the module down. This will cause the module to pop up for easily removal. Do not touch the gold connectors on the chip. If you were reusing the module, if you were not reusing the RAM. Remove the power supply unit by unplugging the remaining connectors, then unscrewing the unit from the ring. Sure thing, remove the motherboard adapter or expansion card from the motherboard. Although this card usually slide into configuring slot, there can be screws. Do not touch the gold connector on the card if you are reinstalling the cards. Disconnect all the cables from the motherboard, then unscrew it from the ring by loosening each screw a little bit before going around again to loosen each screw properly. This prevents any potential warping of the motherboard by gradually releasing the tension on it. All the components should not be out of the computer case. If you're using case, this is a good time to get rid of all the dust and the lint and the might have collected. Assembly time! If you are rebuilding the computer, insert the components in the opposite order you remove them. Starting with the motherboard, plug in all the cables as you insert the component. Most of the item will plug into the motherboard and the power supply unit. And that's it. And we're done doing disassembly and assembly. Thank you for watching.